Welcome back to Old Charles, your ultimate hub for everything coin-related. Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of American numismatic history, the 1983 United States Liberty Quarter Dollar. We'll explore its design, history, and most importantly, its value in today's market. So, if you're a coin enthusiast or just stumbled upon one of these coins in your pocket change, stick around. The 1983 Liberty Quarter, more formally known as the Washington Quarter, is a staple in American coinage. Its obverse design features a portrait of George Washington, the first President of the United States. This design, created by sculptor John Flanagan, has graced the quarter since 1932. Below Washington's bust, you'll find the minting year, 1983, while the word Liberty is prominently displayed above his head. The reverse side features an iconic image of an American bald eagle, perched with its wings spread and clutching a bundle of arrows. Above the eagle, we see the words United States of America and E pluribus unum. Below, you'll find the denomination, quarter dollar. This bold, patriotic design has become synonymous with the quarter itself. What makes the 1983 quarter particularly special? For starters, no uncirculated coin sets were issued for general collectors in 1983. This meant that the only way to obtain a 1983 quarter was through circulation. As a result, finding high-quality, uncirculated examples today is quite rare. In 1983, the Philadelphia Mint struck approximately 673.5 million quarters, while the Denver Mint produced around 617 million. These numbers may seem high, but because they were widely circulated, pristine examples are scarce. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the value of the 1983 Liberty Quarter. For a coin in typical circulated condition, its value is around 25 cents, its face value. However, things get interesting when you have a quarter in higher grades. Around $0.30 to $0.50. Approximately $1 to $2. These coins can fetch anywhere from $8 to $15, depending on the luster and strike quality. These are the real gems. A 1983 quarter in MS 65 or better condition can command prices of $30 to $50 or more, especially if graded by a reputable service like PCGS or NGC. To give you an idea, an MS 67 example from the Philadelphia Mint sold for over $1,000 at auction. Why? Because coins in this grade are incredibly hard to find, and collectors are willing to pay top dollar. Don't forget about errors and varieties, they can significantly increase a coin's value. Here are some key errors to watch for on a 1983 quarter. If the design is noticeably off-center, these can sell for $1.50 to $200, depending on the severity. Look for doubling on the obverse or reverse, particularly in the lettering. These can fetch $100 to $500 or more depending on the clarity. These production flaws are also sought after by collectors. So, if you spot an odd-looking quarter, don't dismiss it, it could be worth more than you think. If you've got a 1983 Liberty Quarter in great condition, preservation is key. Always handle coins by the edges to avoid smudging, and store them in protective holders to prevent scratches. If you think your coin could be valuable, consider having it graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC. When it comes to selling, online platforms like eBay or dedicated coin auction sites are great options. Just make sure to take clear, high-quality photos of your coin to attract potential buyers. So, there you have it, the fascinating history and value of the 1983 Liberty Quarter Dollar. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a beginner, this coin is a reminder of how even everyday items can hold a story, and sometimes, surprising value. The 1983 United States Liberty Quarter, officially called the Washington Quarter, has a rich history rooted in the tradition of American coinage. Its story is recession. The demand for circulating coinage increased as the economy improved, leading to high production numbers for coins like the 1983 quarter. A unique aspect of the 1983 quarter is that the U.S. Mint did not produce standard mint sets in 1983. This decision was due to budget constraints and production priorities. As a result, collectors who wanted pristine examples of 1983 coins had to obtain them from circulation, which makes high-grade 1983 quarters particularly rare and valuable today. Mint mark on the obverse, near Washington's ponytail. Both mints produced large quantities to meet circulation demands, but the absence of uncirculated sets meant that surviving coins in pristine condition are hard to come by. The 1983 quarter is a clad coin made of 75% copper and 25% nickel. This composition replaced the 90% silver quarters that were last minted for circulation in 1964. Weight ** 5.67 grams diameter ** 24.3 mm reeded, with small grooves. The 1983 quarter holds a special place in coin collecting due to its scarcity in high grades. Unlike most other years, collectors cannot easily find uncirculated versions from official mint sets. Coins from 1983 that remain in excellent condition likely avoided the typical wear and tear of circulation, making them prized additions to any collection. The Washington quarter, including the 1983 issue, reflects America's enduring reverence for George Washington, a founding father and symbol of leadership. The quarter's continued use in commerce and its consistent design make it a cultural touchstone, bridging generations of Americans. The condition of a coin plays a significant role in determining its value and desirability among collectors. Coins are graded based on their level of wear and preservation, ranging from heavily circulated to pristine, uncirculated examples. Let's break down the various conditions of the 1983 Liberty Quarter and what to look for when assessing its grade. Coins are evaluated on the Sheldon grading scale, which ranges from poor, P1, to perfect mint state, MS 70. Here are the primary grades used for quarters like the 1983 Washington quarter. Coins in these grades have been used in commerce and show varying levels of wear. The design is heavily worn, with most details smoothed out, but major features like Washington's profile and the eagle are still visible. Moderate wear, with more detail visible, but high points of the design are flattened. Light to moderate wear, with all major details clearly outlined, though slightly worn. Moderate wear on high points, but finer details, like hairlines and feathers, are visible. Light wear is present only on the highest points, such as Washington's hair or the eagle's feathers. The coin has a strong appearance with some mint luster still visible, minimal signs of wear, mainly on the highest points. The majority of the coin retains its original mint luster, making it highly collectible. Show no signs of wear and are graded based on their level of perfection. Some noticeable marks or weak strikes but no wear. Excellent luster and strike with very few minor marks. Near perfect coins with incredible luster, sharp details, and virtually no imperfections. Look for scratches, nicks, or discoloration, which indicate wear or damage. Higher grade coins will have smooth, clean surfaces with few blemishes. On the obverse, check the clarity of Washington's hair and the word Liberty. On the reverse, inspect the feathers of the eagle and the clarity of the arrows and olive branches. Mint state coins will have a bright, reflective surface due to their original mint luster. Circulated coins lose this luster over time. Well-struck coins will have sharp details in the design. Weak strikes can sometimes lower the coin's grade, even if it hasn't been circulated, typically valued at face value, $0.25 to $0.50. May sell for around $1 to $2. Valued at $3 to $5. These